Hello everyone, welcome to the Form Leads webinar. Today we are going to show you how to use our Form Leads application within your client portal. So let's get started. First, let's log into your client portal at secure.officesite.com using your username and password. If you have forgotten this information, please contact our customer care team at 877-393-3348. Once logged into your portal, you will find Form Leads on the left-hand side of your screen. Form Leads is where you will find all the responses from the forms on your website. So now, let's walk through Form Leads. When you first click on Form Leads, you will see an overview of the responses from all forms on your website. Defaultly, your website has an appointment request form and a Contact Us form. Within the Form Leads portal, you will see all the responses when you first log in. If you would like to see just the responses from your appointment request form, click on All Forms, select Appointment Request Form, and you will see just the responses from your appointment request form. Form Leads helps you control your form's responses by giving you the ability to mark appointments as read or unread, confirm if an appointment has been converted into an appointment, or archive old appointment requests. So let's explore a little bit more. The overview of the Form Leads screen here will show you the patient's name, email, phone number, and the date and time that you received their request. By clicking the Action button on the right-hand side and clicking View, will show you the additional information that's within the form, any additional fields that you have added to your form, as well as any comments that the patient has left for you. On the right-hand side, you will be able to mark if an appointment was scheduled, mark what type of client this is, a new or existing, mark the response as read or unread, as well as leave any notes. For example, the date the appointment was scheduled, or please recall a patient at a later time. Once you've filled out this section, make sure to click Save, or anything that you put in here will be lost. We also give you the ability to archive old appointment requests or Contact Us messages. By clicking Archive, this sends that to a folder where it stores the appointment request if you'd like to view it later. By clicking the Filter button, clicking Submission and Archive, you can see all appointment and Contact Us messages that have been archived before. As well as, while you're in here, if you've made a mistake and archived a message, you can actually unarchive it when you search it within the archived folder. From the Form Leads overview screen here, the third line, the More Options lines, gives you the ability to print all requests that are currently in the overview section. The printout will include the appointment date and time if it's an appointment request, the patient's name, email, phone number, the date it was received, as well as any comments or notes that were left within the form. Form Leads puts you in control of your website's forms. So now that we have learned how to view the information, let's go through customizing your form a little bit. By clicking the Settings button within the Form Leads overview screen, this is where we will be able to customize your notification settings, add additional fields, and also create new forms for your website. When first logging in to the Form Lead system, we recommend going to the settings and checking the notification section within each of your forms to verify that the form's notifications are being sent to the correct email addresses or email addresses. And also how you would like to receive the notification. We can also edit our form from here. We are currently on the appointment request form. Some main edits that you might look at within our Form Lead system. Defaultly, the Form Lead system, under preferred date, does not require any advance notice. You have the ability to select 1 day to 1 week before an appointment. This limits the time that a potential patient can select a date when requesting an appointment via your website. As well as under preferred time, you have the option to update it from exact time selection to a general time frame, morning, afternoon, evening. On our appointment request form, let's say we want to add a new field. We want to add a field to see if they're a new or existing patient. So under the Add New Field button, and if we click Patient Type, this adds a new field onto our form called Patient Type for them to select new or existing. We want to go ahead and move this above comments, so we just grab on the end here and drag it to where we would like it. And then we're going to click Save. The neat thing about Form Leads is everything that we do within our portal here will automatically reflect on your website without you having to contact our customer care team to publish your site. So as we can see, we refresh our appointment request form on our website, and we now have the field select patient type, and they have the option to select existing or new patient. So let's say we want to go ahead and create a new form for our website. Well, we just have to go back to our dashboard, our Form Leads dashboard here, and then we're going to click Add New. We're going to create a custom form. When you log in to create the custom form, the first thing you'll have to select is your notification settings up at the top to designate where you would like the form to go. We're going to call this form Patient Referral. So Patient Referral is a form that a lot of clients want to create, whether it's being referred by another patient or a doctor. So we're going to adjust this form a little bit. Defaultly, you'll have name, email, phone number, comments. But we're going to change this because we're doing a referral form. We're going to call this your name, your email, your phone, and then we're going to add some fields here. We're going to add what's called a custom field. When you're creating a form with multiple names and email addresses, you have to use the custom field box. Form Leads will not allow you to have multiple name fields when creating a form. So you won't be able to select like first name or last name here. But we're going to call this friend's name. And we are going to select this. This is a text box. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and add another custom field. And we're going to call this friend's email. Now under here, we can select email here. We can have multiple email addresses. And then it will automatically calculate the help text within the form. And then we're going to add one more field to this form. And we're going to call this friend's phone number. And again, under the field type, we're going to select phone. Form leads will allow you to have multiple phone numbers here. These three we're going to require because this is a referral form, so we do need that information to contact those potential patients. But we don't want comments right here in the middle, so we're going to go ahead and drag this down. We are going to leave comments on there, you know. People like to leave a message. So we want the form to show your name, your email, your phone. Defaultly, Form Leads is set up to only show the help text. So if we look at the appointment request, the help text is this information here. Enter your name, enter your email, date. So we're going to go back here. We want to show the field label. The field label, and I will show you here in just a second, is the information that shows above the field on your form. So we've just created this patient referral form, and we're going to save. So this is what your form would look like on your website for patient referral. It has your name, your email, your phone number, friend's name, friend's phone number, friend's email, and then comments. This one is showing just the field text and not showing the help text. So that's the difference between the two fields. You also do have the option to show both here. Now, whenever you want to create a new form, before it will actually show up on your website like so for patient referral, you'll want to go ahead and click this copy embed code. Copy this into an email and send it to production@officesite.com. And then one of our customer care team members will embed that onto the page that you let us know what page you would like it on. The last thing within our Form Leads system is the ability, as many clients have asked for, is the ability to receive this information without having to log into the portal to view it. In the past, we have given you the ability to receive the information from the request via email. You have the same ability within our Form Leads system. If you would like to receive the information from your request via email, you will need to log into the settings screen within the Form Leads dashboard, and under notifications, you will need to click the button that says Receive Form Contents, and this will allow you to receive the form contents via email. Before you can receive the form contents, you must accept the disclaimer within the portal. By clicking Accept, you acknowledge and agree that you are opting out of OfficeSite's secure portal. You understand your obligations under HIPAA and have and will ensure that any transmission of electronic protected health information is in compliance with the HIPAA security rule requirement. By opting out of OfficeSite's secure portal, you and not OfficeSite are solely responsible and liable for any personal health information included in any email correspondence between you, your personnel, and any potential existing patient. When you log in to accept this disclaimer, there will be a button located under the disclaimer for you to click Accept. Once you've accepted, you can check and uncheck this button as many times as you'd like. For each form, you do have to go through each form and select this button. Remember to click Save after any changes to save the option to receive the form content. If you have any questions regarding our Form Leads program within your portal, please contact our customer care team at 877-393-3348. One of our team members can help walk you through any specific questions or requests that you have regarding the Form Lead system, from viewing your request to creating a new form or adding new fields to your forms. Thank you for being a valued client of OfficeSite, and have a wonderful day.